Hey, so I just got off a Zoom call with the head elf at Santa's workshop. We had a meeting today to talk about the upcoming limited edition collections, like for November and December. And I had to sign an NDA, so I can't tell you all of the details about what's coming up with Scentsy over the next couple of months, but we did manage to make a deal. So right now in the North Pole, Santa's elves are working very hard to get ready for Christmas. And they agreed to make a special charm crate just for you guys. The November charm crate is coming straight from Santa's workshop in the North Pole. I'm so excited. Let me tell you, whenever I was on that Zoom call with the head elf, I was totally fangirling. So the elves decided to pick their favorite Scentsy fragrances for this charm crate, and also they're going to be adding everybody's favorite snack for the toy making progress, because you know, making toys for Christmas, that makes you hungry, yeah? So each charm crate will be $21 plus a flat rate shipping fee. I usually only do one charm crate focused around Christmas, but I couldn't pass up this deal. So if you would like a hint, the head elf already told me what's going to be inside the charm crate. So the November charm crate will have 4 full-size products, and the scent descriptions are: soft vanilla and cranberry sprinkled with sparkling sugar is pure bliss. Rich spiced plum falls right in step with visions of vanilla and sweet cinnamon apple. The next one is cooler than most. Pure peppermint is the popular kid you'll love to love. And last but not least, the sweet scent of salted caramel takes melted toffee and butterscotch to new levels of indulgence. So in order for them to have enough time to put these charm crates together and get them sent out to you guys, the deadline to order is October 31st. Halloween night. So you can expect your charm crate to arrive in the mail sometime between November 15th to 25th. Hopefully as soon as possible, but we must give them that extra time if they need it. So these charm crates are the monthly boxes that I personally create, and I'm so excited that all of the elves are taking the pressure off me this month. Every month's charm crate features a new theme with a new arrangement of products and fragrances. And November will be my Santa's Workshop charm crate. So you can purchase individually if you just want November, or you can set up an automatic payment plan if you want a charm crate every month. We can get that set up for you. And of course, we are still in the pandemic, so just know if there is a scent description that has to change due to inventory shifts or sellouts, the elves are just gonna pick the next best thing. But that's it. If you want a charm crate from Santa's Workshop, please just fill out the Google form linked down below, and I will mail that straight to the North Pole. So that's it, guys. I'm so excited. See you later.